total revenue since I got monetized in July 15th of 2023 up until the moment I'm recording this video, December 28th of 2023, as a YouTube partner here on YouTube is... Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. It's ADUNNI of ADUNNI'S Space again, and in today's video, as you can tell from the title, I'll be sharing with you guys how much YouTube paid me in my first 6 months of monetization as a YouTube partner. If you create content that are similar to the kind of content I upload on my channel, and you're a new YouTuber, or you really want to know if being a YouTuber in the year 2024 is going to be worth it, then this video is going to answer all of your questions. So you want to make sure you keep watching, and if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to share with a friend and click the subscribe button. Join this beautiful growing family, okay? So I have my jotter here because there are some pointers I want to share with you guys, and I also have an iPad here to share my analytics with you guys. Today's video is going to be super relaxed. It's different from what you always see on this channel. So a few things I'll be sharing with you guys in this particular video is the backstory of how I started my channel, the type of content I upload, my top paying content, my total number of views and subscribers, and my total number of revenue in the past 6 months. Even though I'm making this video 5 days to the end of the year. No, not 5 days, it's not 5 days. Today's 28th, and I think you'll probably be seeing this video maybe a day to the end of the year, maybe 30th or 31st. I'm not very sure yet. So I am going to first tell you guys how and why I started my channel. I started my channel in August of 2022, and that was after I had lost my first monetized channel. If you knew me from that old channel, you're welcome, and if you're a new subscriber or you're just seeing this face, you're welcome. So I started the second channel in August of 2022 after I had lost my old channel in June of 2022, which was a very, very horrible incident. If you want to know the backstory of how all of that happened, I will have the video to that linked in the description of this particular video. But when I started this new channel, I knew what I wanted. I knew that I wanted to be focused because I had done my old channel for 2 years, and I knew what I earned on that channel, and I just know this particular channel has to give me more, okay? So I decided that I was going to try something new on this particular channel. My old channel, I was doing a lot of things. I was doing vlogs, I was doing hair, I was doing sit-down videos, I was doing a lot of things. I didn't have a particular niche. But for this channel, I said, okay, let me just try something new, okay? So what I did was to just start uploading tutorials on this channel. I know how to make hair a lot. I play with my hand when it comes to hair. Like my hand and my hair, or anything that has to do with hair, they go hand in hand. So I started this channel with tutorials, with hair tutorials of wigs, 4C hair, and I also had my big chop around December. So I started sharing my hair journey here. So it made it a bit easier for me because I had content. I didn't have to do too much to look for content to upload. So the kind of content that I have been uploading on this channel up until this particular time is hair tutorials. So, and why did I pick hair tutorials? So between June of 2022 and August of 2022, when I lost my channel, I did a lot of research, and I realized that having a niche when you're starting a new channel or when you're starting as a new YouTuber helps you grow faster if you're consistent, okay? I have a few YouTube related videos. If you're interested, I will link the playlists in the description. You can watch it after this particular one. And I knew that I had to get my monetization requirements in less than a year, which is 1,000 subscriber and 4,000 watch hour. So I got my first 1,000 subscriber in less than 200 days. So it was a bit easier for me because I had people from my old channel come back to subscribe to this particular channel, and it grew so fast, probably because I was creating searchable content. I was creating content that people wanted to see. Okay, so I got my 4,000 watch hour on July 15th of 2023, and immediately I turned on my monetization tab and I started earning on July 15th of 2023. And I would say that earning on YouTube is a bit tricky because all of the content that you have uploaded from before your monetization, you're not getting paid for it. So what you're getting paid for are the views that you start getting from the day that you got monetized on YouTube. There are a lot of process with the monetization, and I don't intend going into that. There are a lot of videos on YouTube that explains that better. So I got monetized on 15th of July of 2023, and I started earning on the 15th of July on 2023 because I applied for my monetization and they got back to me like before morning. So now we're going to go into my analytics. I have an iPad here that I am going to be sharing like screenshots for you guys. That's why I left this space for you guys. So currently I have 3,036 subscribers as at the time of filming this video. Thank you guys for this beautiful community. And I just want to say that if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed, please click the subscribe button, join this beautiful family. So the total number of views that I have since when I started uploading on this channel is currently at 4,226,000. Sorry, what am I saying? The total, like the lifetime view I have on my channel is 426,055. I'll put a screenshot here, like a screen recording here for you guys to see. And the total number of views that I have since monetization up until now is less than 200,000 views. I'll put the graph of that for you guys, but I'm just going to read it out for you guys to see. So I got monetized in July of 2023, if you can remember, and in July I had the total of 32,344 views. In August I had 31,936 views. In September, I don't know what happened, my views dropped so much. I don't know, I even don't know what happened. I'm not going to try to figure that out here. I had 21,261 views in September. That is about 10,000 or 9,000. That is about 10,000 plus difference from August. In October, it went up a bit and I had 24,099 views, which is still very, very low compared to what I had in July and August. Then in September, we came up and I had 38,260 views. And now, currently in December, as at the time of recording this video, I'm recording this video on the 28th of December, I currently have 43,360 views. So if you do the math like I did earlier, all of this is less than 200 views. So the total revenue that I have from July to December is from the views I have from July to as at the day of recording this video. And that is what I'll be sharing with you guys as we move on in this video. So Am I moving out of frame? So we are going, now that we're done with views, we'll go to, I also want to talk about my watch hour. I was able to get my 4,000 watch hour in July, as I said. So I will just show you guys my watch hour here quick. Let's see how we're going to do that. I don't know if I should break down my watch hour, like my watch hour of how many hours I got from August of last year to this month. I don't think that really matter, but I got the highest number of watch hour in July of last year and November of last year. There was just something that happened to my channel in November of last year, and it was just like this. I also got the highest number of subscribers so far on my channel in November of last year. Also, my total watch hour currently, as at the time of recording this video, is 8,713 watch hour. 8,713 hours. So that means my channel, like the total number of times that videos or shorts have been watched on my channel, is 8,713 hours. And I think that's crazy. I think that is amazing. So crazy. Go straight into the revenue. And I'm not even going to lie, I used to watch a lot of how much YouTube paid me videos, and as far as I'm concerned, it's nothing bad. There's nothing bad in you sharing how much you earned on YouTube. It's just that there are a lot of people that read meaning to it. So first, I'm going to show you guys my top earning content. So I'm going to show you my top earning content since I got monetized. And I was particularly shocked when I was going through this again. So my top earning content is one of like my most viewed content from the one I read to you guys earlier. And I'm just going to leave like a screenshot here for you guys to see as I'm reading it out. So the first one is how to do crochet micro twist. And since monetization, that particular video has earned me $40.67 with estimated monetized playback of 9,569, and the CPM is $7, so the RPM is lower. So the CPM is usually higher. That is, I'm not going to go into that mathematical explanation, but the CPM is higher, the RPM is lower, and the RPM is how much you actually earn as a YouTuber. So the second highest paid video on my channel is how to make butterfly locks with Brazilian wool, and that has earned me $25.40 with 15,991 playback. The next one is she did a micro twist with extension, and that has earned me $24.44 with 6,745 monetized playback. The next one just went like this. Like the next one just crashed. Like the fourth one crashed so much. I'm like, Chloe, what is happening? The fourth one is how to make crochet faux locks, and it has earned me $8.33 with 4,490 views playbacks. And the next one is $6.35 with 3,273 views. The next one It's a video that I actually thought is going to earn me a lot. But now we are here. It has earned me $3.57 with 647 views. So you guys need to go and watch that video. It's actually a very detailed video. It's like me making a review of wig extension that I got from 1688, and it's very detailed, like very detailed. A lot of items I got from 1688, I share their reviews and my opinions about those items on that channel, and from the comments on that channel I could tell that people found it helpful. The next one, and probably the last one, the next one I will read out as $3.29 with 1,541 playbacks. The next one has $3.03 with 223 views. Playbacks. The next one is $2.78 with 1,554 playbacks. The next one $1.59. The next one $1.09. The next one $1.05. So according to YouTube, since I started my channel, those are the videos that have earned me like up here. So my total revenue, since I got monetized in July 15th of 2023 up until the moment I'm recording this video, December 28th of 2023, as a YouTube partner here on YouTube, is, I'll leave that on the screen for you guys to read to yourself, is $135.35. Now I'll leave you to answer the question yourself. Is it worth it? Is YouTube really worth it? Let me know in the comment section. What do you think? Earning $135.35 in the last 6 months from videos that you have uploaded over a year, is it worth it? Thank you guys. Is it worth it? So moving forward, I intend to upload more content. I intend to be more consistent here on YouTube. I also intend to bring in new content for you guys to see, and in the new year I'll be starting weekly vlogs. And I actually just finished editing the first episode of my weekly vlog. It will be going live the first week of January. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and I really do hope that you guys find my vlogs relatable. And definitely I am not going to stop uploading hair content, because that is like a passion to me. It's not even like, it's a passion for me. Making hair actually just excites me. I don't see making hair as a chore, and I'm also earning money. So hopefully the more content I upload this in 2024, the more relatable and engaging and searchable my audience finds it. I really do pray and hope that this community of 3,037 subscribers grows bigger, and by this time next year, when I'll be sharing this kind of content with you guys, which I hopefully think I'll be doing yearly, because I honestly don't mind sharing these numbers or these figures with you guys. I hope that would have grown bigger, probably 50k subscribers. I think it's very achievable, it's attainable, and if you're really open to start your own channel, I hope that this video has given you an answer or two. I wish you a very beautiful new year. I pray that January comes with all of the ease, peace, love, growth that you desire. Happy New Year, and I'll see you in my next video.